Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Doremi filter on TikTok. So if you want to join this viral challenge, the Doremi challenge on TikTok, and you want to know how you can get and use that filter on TikTok, you are watching the right video. So watch this video until the end. First, let's just launch the TikTok apps on your phone. And then in here to find the filter, you can just easily, there are two ways that you can do. You can click on this plus icon to start creating a video. You can open this TikTok camera, and then after that, here I'm going to go with 15 seconds. You can find the effect or filter by clicking on this. Then you can just click on this magnifying glass icon, the search buttons in here to discover the effect. So I'm going to just write do re mi in here, or the perfect, and this is the perfect pitch challenge will show up. So there are two perfect pitch challenge. You can use the first one or the newest one. So let's just use the newest one. You can click on this record button, this little red box in here. Just click on that, and then the filter will be applied. You can just now start recording by clicking on this red button in here. Just sing the correct pitch to win. So let's try. Do, do. I'm not a singer, so you can just try, and after you are done, you can click on the check icon and your challenge will be saved. You can now just upload your success Doremi filter challenge. Okay, so that's the first way to find the filter. The second way is that you can click on the search at the top right corner, click on this magnifying glass, and then just find, okay, let's just find perfect pitch filter or challenge in here. You can click on it, and here you'll see the effects section at the top, and you can just choose which one that you want to use, and again click on this red button to start recording. Now after the effect has been applied to the camera, here you can just start recording like before. So you can just sing the correct pitch to win. So that's all from me. That's how you can get the Doremi filter on your TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.